Dear student, in this video we will learn the problem of worksheet 4 of unit 8 from question number 5. In the question number 5, find the length of diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 15 cm and 8 cm. You have to find the length of diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 15 cm and 8 cm. First we make a rectangle, name them A, B, C, D. Here diagonal be the AC. All we know that in rectangle all angle is 90 degree. So here given that the sides of rectangle are 15 cm and 8 cm. We also know that the opposite side of rectangle is equal. So it is also 8 cm and 15 cm. Here given that the length of rectangle is equal to 15 cm, breadth of rectangle is equal to 8 cm. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here AB is 8 cm, BC is 15 cm and AC not given. So 8 cm square means 64 cm square plus 225 cm square is equal to AC square. After adding we get 289 cm square is equal to AC square. We know that 289 is the square of 17. So we can write 17 cm ka whole square is equal to AC square. So AC is equal to 17 cm. So the length of diagonal is equal to 17 cm. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Here in question number 6, the foot of ladder is 6 meter away from a wall and its top reaches its window 8 meter above the ground. If the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meter away from the wall, to what height does the top reaches? First we make a wall and make a plane. Again this is 6 meter away from the wall. The foot of ladder, given that the foot of ladder is 6 meter away from the wall and height is 8 meter. So this height is 8 meter. Again foot of ladder shifted in such a way that it is 8 meter away from the wall. It means this length is 8 meter from the wall. Now we take a ABC and DE. Here this is the 90 degree angle, right angle. You have to find the length of BE. Given that AB is equal to 8 meter, BC is equal to 6 meter and BD is equal to also 8 meter. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here AB is 8 meter square, BC is 6 meter square and AC square. So 64 meter square plus 36 meter square is equal to AC square. After adding we get 100 meter square is equal to AC square. It means 10 meter का square is equal to AC square. So AC is equal to 10 meter. And what is AC? AC be the length of ladder. So the length of ladder is equal to AC is equal to D is equal to 10 meter. Now in triangle BDE angle B is 90 degree. Again we apply Pythagoras theorem. Then by Pythagoras theorem क्या हो जाएगा पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से? डी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी डी स्क्वायर. Here D is equal to 10 meter, which is the length of ladder, and B not given, and BD is equal to 8 meter का whole square. Is it clear? BD is equal to 8 meter square. So 100 meter square is equal to B square plus 64 meter square. So B square is equal to 100 meter square minus 64 meter square, that is 36 meter square. And we know that B square is equal to 6 meter का square. 6 meter square is equal to 36 meter. So B is equal to 6 meter. So at 6 meter height, the top of ladder reaches. At 6 meter height, the top of ladder reaches. This is the answer. Now question number 7. In this question number 7, a right angle triangle is isosceles. Isosceles means its two sides are equal. If the square of the hypotenuse is 50 meter square, what is the length of each of its side? First we make a right angle triangle isosceles triangle. We know that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. So the side AB and BC are equal. Let this is the x meter. ठीक है. Let triangle ABC be a right angle isosceles triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to BC is equal to x meter. Let now in triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So x square plus x square is equal to AC square. Here given that the square of hypotenuse is 50. इस AC square is equal to क्या दिया है? 50 meter square. So 2x square is equal to 50 meter square. So x square is equal to 50 by 2 meter square, that is 25 meter square. So x square is equal to 5 meter का whole square. So x is equal to 5 meter. So the side AB is equal to x meter, that is 5 meter. Again side BC is equal to also x meter, this is 5 meter. And the side AC square, given that AC square is equal to 50 meter square, it means 5 root 2 meter whole square. So AC is equal to 5 root 2 meter. This is the answer. In question number 8, here If the side of a triangle are 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter long, determine whether the triangle is right angle triangle or not. Solution. You know that the converse of Pythagoras theorem, if the square of two sides, sum of the square of two sides of triangle is equal to the square of third side, then the triangle is right angle, otherwise not. First we make a sum of square. Here length of sides of a triangle are 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter. Sum of the square of two sides is equal to 3 meter square plus 4 meter का square, that is 9 meter square plus 16 meter square, that is 25 meter square. Square of third side is equal to 6 meter का square, that is 36 meter square. Since sum of square of two sides is not equal to the square of third side, so 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter are not a side of right angle triangle. This is the answer. In question number 9, here verify whether the following triplets are Pythagorean or not. So first question is 8, 9, 10. We let A, B, C. Now first you find A square plus B square, that is 8 square plus 9 square, that is 64 plus 81, that is 145. Now C square is equal to 10 square, that is 100. Since A square plus B square not equal to C square, so 8, 9, 10 are not a Pythagorean triplet. This is the answer. In question number second में क्या है भाई? सेकेंड में है देखो 5, 7, 12 है. 5, 7, 12. Let A, B, C. First we make A square plus B square, that is 5 square plus 7 square. 5 square means 25, 7 square means 49. It means you get 74. And C square, that is 12 square, that is 144. Since A square plus B square not equal to C square, so क्या लिखेंगे? So 5, 7, 12 are not a Pythagorean triplet. Now in question number third. Here 3, 4, 5. Here A, B, C. First you find A square plus B square, that is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16, that is 25. And C square again 5 square, that is 25. Since A square plus B square not equal to C square, so 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now in question number 4, here side are 5, 12 and 13. Here A, B, C. So first we find A square plus B square, that is 5 square plus 12 square, that is 25 plus 144, that is 169. Again we find C square, that is 13 square, that is also 169. Since A square plus B square is equal to C square, So the side 5, 12 and 13 are Pythagorean triplet. This is the answer. So today's homework, you have to complete worksheet 4. Thank you.